I am Carline Boston, the second Miss HBCU teen and a current freshman here at this university. And I'm here to do an unboxing video because Miss HBCU teen recently sent me and all my sister queens a care package, and I can't wait to show you all what I got inside. So first, when I opened it up, I saw this face mask, and then I saw this sunscreen from Black Girl Sunscreen. I absolutely love Black Girl Sunscreen. It's the only sunscreen that doesn't make me like get a white cast, and it always protects my skin, so I absolutely love this. I have some skincare products from Persica Skincare. They provided me with 2 oils. I personally used one of them today and my skin has felt great. I have an anti-stress oil, which is so important being a college student. And this Queen Esther Microbiome Restore Botanical Serum, which is one that I used on my skin this morning. And they are both great. I have this shirt from First Generation. I'm personally not a first generation college student, but I know how important it is to have support and to have resources as a first gen college student. So I absolutely love this company and what they promote. The shirt says barrier breakers, history makers, game changers, high flyer, first generation. And then I also have a book from the same company as well. And I have a little pen in order to write with. And I was also gifted with 2 cards. The first one is from the Miss HBCU Teen Admin Team. It says, Queen, wow, what an amazing journey it has been. Keep working hard and shooting for the moon. Continue to wear your crown. Yours in royalty, MHT. And then I have another super sweet message from Persica Skincare. It says, Dear Carline, congratulations on starting your Miss HBCU teen journey. Remember that you are a queen and that you have a family and tribe of supporters. We can't wait to watch your journey of success unfold. Best, the Persica Skincare team. I want to thank all the donors so much for funding this campaign. These care packages definitely brightened my day, and I know they did the same for my sister queens. I also want to thank all of the sponsors, Lush Cosmetics, Honey Pot Company, First Gen Shop, Black Girl Sunscreen, and Persica Skincare for providing all these amazing products. I can't wait to see them put into use from all of my sister queens, and I am so eternally grateful for all the support and love that we have received. Thank you again.